So I'm going to install the 3340 ESC cooling fan, 3458 heatsink, 3456 cooling fan for the heatsink. This is a slash 4x4. First thing is to remove this wire. Hold down here. Now I can move those wires out of the way and press this on. So I'm going to slide this down so it's out of the way of those wires. So this fan fits right over top. And these screws comes with these screws that go right into the heatsink. To wire it, we'll need to remove these 4 screws for these 2 covers. We'll have to weave this wire in through here. Now that we have that pulled through, I'll plug it in this one that says battery channel 5. Now we have to put these covers back on. Careful not to get the seal out of place. So the ESC fan is the simplest. It's got the wires already there on the ESC. Just plug it into the fan and this snaps in place. And that's it. Now to tuck the wires away. Now to test this to see if it works. And both fans are on.